2024 Mustang 5.0. Factory converters there. Goes out, it's true dude. Add the factory resonator there. We took it out, put an X pipe in its place, true flow X pipe, and ran it all the way out there. And then we did Outlaws in the rear, right there and right there. Part number 815425, 2.5 in and out. Then we used reused factory tips on it right there and right there. So we didn't do anything to it. There's one of the old mufflers there, the mid resonator. So I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. X-Pipe, Outlaws. That's good. Sound decibels? 112. Yeah, 112 a second ago. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '24 Mustang GT 5.0. X-Pipe in the mid, Outlaws in the rear, stock tips.